द लर्निंग माइंड चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, लर्निंग माइंड चैनल में इंग्लिश के टेक्स्ट के साथ साथ हिंदी में भी टेक्स्ट लिखे होते हैं, जिससे इंग्लिश को समझना और आसान हो जाता है। इस चैनल में इंग्लिश नए नए तरीके से, नए नए अंदाज से सिखाई जाती है। आज मैं आपको एक ऐसी शख्सियत से मिलाने जा रहा हूँ, ऐसी पर्सनालिटी से मिलाने जा रहा हूँ जिन्होंने ओलंपिक में इतिहास रच दिया। तो आइए मिलते हैं हरियाणा का छोकरा नीरज चोपड़ा। नीरज ने ओलंपिक की हिस्ट्री में एथलेटिक्स फील्ड में पहली बार गोल्ड मेडल जीता है। तो आइए मिलते हैं हम नीरज चोपड़ा जी से। नीरज चोपड़ा created history by throwing 87.58 meter javelin for gold medal at Tokyo Olympic 2020. He is the first Indian to win a gold medal in the athletics at a world championship level. Neeraj early life and education. Neeraj Chopra was born on 24 December 1997 in a farmer of Raur community in Khandra, a small village in the town of Panipat in the state of Haryana. In Neeraj's family, his father Satish Kumar is a small farmer by profession and his mother Saroj Devi is a housewife. Neeraj was very obese in his childhood, due to which other children of the village used to make fun of him. His family was also upset due to his obesity. So his father enrolled him a gym at Madlauda. He was later enrolled in a gym in Panipat. While playing at Shivaji Stadium in Panipat, he saw some javelin throwers and began participating himself. After some time, Neeraj went to the nearby Panipat Sports Authority of India (SAI) Center, where javelin thrower Jaiveer Chaudhary recognized his early talent in the winter of 2010. Observing his ability to achieve a 40-meter throw without training and impressed by his drive, Chaudhary became his first coach. Neeraj learned the basics of sports from Chaudhary and also from other experienced athletes. He soon won his first medal, a bronze in the district championships, and then persuaded his family to allow him to live in Panipat for developing his abilities. Neeraj did his early studies from Haryana. He graduated from Dayanand Anglo Vedic College (DAV) in Chandigarh, and as of 2021 is pursuing a Bachelor of Arts from Lovely Professional University in Jalandhar. Once Neeraj asked for new javelin to his father since they were not so well off, so his father took help from his brothers to purchase new javelin for him. He lives in a joint family who always stood with him. Neeraj Chopra joined the Indian Army as a Nayab Subedar in May 2016 under the sports quota with his parent unit being the 4 Rajputana Rifles. After joining the army, he was selected for training at the Mission Olympics wing as well as at the Army Sports Institute, Pune. Neeraj succumbed to a shoulder injury in 2018 after performing brilliantly in the Asian and Commonwealth Games. This affected his game greatly. However, he made a strong comeback in Indian Grand Prix held in Patiala, March 2021, in which he broke his own record and made a new national record. In Tokyo Olympic 2020, he made a history and won first gold medal in athletics field for India. Neeraj Award and Recognition. In the Feb 2016 South Asian Games gold medal with a javelin throw 82.23 meters. In July 2016 IAAF U20 World Championships first international gold medal with javelin throw 86.48. Then in the July 2017 Asian Athletics Championships gold medal with javelin throw 85.23. In the April 2018 Commonwealth Games gold medal with javelin throw 86.47 meter. In the August 2018 Asian Games gold medal with the javelin throw 88.06 meters. In the 2018 he got the Arjun Award and Vishish Seva Medal at the Republic Day Honor 2020. In the August 2021 Tokyo Olympics, again he won the gold medal javelin throw 87.58 meter and made a history for India. Neeraj won first gold medal for India in athletics in a century. Before going the Tokyo Olympic 2020, he told, "I would definitely come with a medal." This word showed his confidence. See some stylish photographs of Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj got congratulations from Mark Zuckerberg, Deepika Padukone, Akshay Kumar, Salman Khan, Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Sonu Sood, Kiara Advani, Kapil Sharma, Kapil Dev, MS Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Sports Minister Anurag Thakur, Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah and many more personalities. He met lot of personalities like Prime Minister Modi ji, film actor Amitabh ji, Haryana Chief Khattar ji, Punjab Chief Amrinder ji, film actor Randeep Hooda, film director Bhandarkar ji and many more personalities. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.